Thank you for being here. Let's learn, smile, and grow together at Smile and Learn ABC.
Hello, friends! Are you ready to learn a new letter today? Let's have fun learning together. This is the letter L. Say it with me. L.
L for lion. L. Say it with me. L. L for lion. L. L for lock. Say it with me. L.
L. L. L.
That's right. Yay! L for lemon. Say it with me. L.
L for lamp. Say it with me. L. L. Great job.
L for lips. Say it with me. L.